Hey, I'm Pat Giuliano, proud owner and recent installer of a beautiful Paragon spiral staircase system. There she is in all her glory. Paragon was great to work with. I put this in, I guess, about 2 years ago when I rebuilt the house. One of the reasons I chose Paragon is their selection. I could have any kind of hardwood I wanted, and I was always fond of hickory, which was among their selections. I like its open grain, light dark contrast, and in fact, once we were able to get the staircase in, we used the same species for the kitchen cabinets and the floor, as you can see. The design is efficient. Ours is an open style floor plan. All right, and as you can see, the railing is just beautiful. Let me give you a look upstairs. Paragon was great to work with. The kit was perfect. We had all the hardware we needed. Instructions were clear. And in fact, they were able to help us out later as well. We needed a railing system for the little balcony off the bedroom. We gave up on the wood. We forgoed the wood because, not exactly weatherproof, but the matte steel was beautiful. Hope this helps in your selection. Again, Paragon was great to work with. Experts in the area helped us through every step of the way. Thank you.